Skola. World-first software. Create profitable virtual events in 3 easy steps. Build a following and AMP. Deliver an incredible online learning experience with your first virtual event. Lifetime deal. Launch exclusive bonus. Virtual event accelerator today only. Sell tickets to your virtual event. Page number 1. Virtual event landing page. Page number 2, option A, basic ticket. Page number 2, option B, VIP ticket. Page #3. Thank you page. To know more, check out the link in description. In this session, Sam is going to be introducing the Virtual Event Summit, the speakers, the topics, and outlining the strategy you'll learn within this virtual event. There will be a 15-minute condemn at the end of this session. Post your questions within chat during this live session. We'll respond to them during the event. Generate leads, drive more sales, and AMP. Deliver amazing virtual experiences to customers. Profit method number 1, virtual event giveaways. Generate leads with free virtual events. Give away tickets to a free event. As participants register for your event, capture them into your subscriber list automatically. Better than webinars. Profit method number 2, paid virtual events. Make money selling tickets to your virtual events. Sell tickets to your virtual event and make money. $199.96. New sale. VIP ticket Matakan 2020. $59.99. New sale. Attendee ticket Matakan 2020. $39.99. Better than courses. Profit method number 3, virtual event delivery. Build a following running an enjoyable virtual experience. Deliver your event in the future. Skola provides participants with an enjoyable, engaging, and fun virtual experience. Watch. Here's the proof. Sales-ready virtual events in minutes. Create, sell, then deliver virtual events. Secret ingredient to success. Sell first, deliver later. Sell access tickets to your virtual event before you deliver it. Pre-sell ticket stays, weeks or months in advance. Customize to your brand. Customize to your brand. Customize the look and feel of your virtual event. Use our virtual event designer to effortlessly sync your marketing pages with your event brand. Deliver your event the way you want. Day 1, Day 2, Day 3. Your event counts down until opening. Event participants gain access to a virtual lobby where they can see time counting down before your event begins. Scheduled, evergreen, recurring. Get access to virtual events with Skola now. Get virtual events now.